Hi everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase. In this video, we are starting with the stack problems, part 1 in our DSA in JavaScript series. We will solve two very simple but important problems using stack. First one is the reverse string using stack check, and second is the check for balance parenthesis. So let's get started. So before solving problems, let's quickly revise what a stack actually is. A stack is a LIFO structure, which means last in, first out. That means the element that goes in the last will come out first. And you can imagine a stack of plates. You always put a plate on the top and also remove from top only. In stack, we usually perform these operations: push, pop, peek is empty. And all right, now that we know that what is a stack, let's solve two interesting problems and very common by using this stack. So the first is the reverse string using stack. The question says we are given a string and we need to reverse it using stack. Example is like input is the hello, HELLO, and the output should be the OLLEH. So it's a, let's see how we can do that using a stack. So here is a step-by-step approach. First, create an empty stack. Then push each character of this string into the stack. Then pop the character one by one and add them into the new string. Finally, that string will be the reverse version, and this works perfectly because stack follows the LIFO rule. The last character we push will come out first. So let's move to VS Code and write the code for this. So first I will create a function called reverse string function reverse string, and now let's create a stack is equal to empty array. So first we create an empty array which we will use as a stack. Now let's push each character of this string one by one. For let character of string and stack dot push character. Now this loop will go through every letter in this string and push it into the stack. Now to reverse it, we will pop each element and add it to the new string. So let reverse is equal to empty string and start while stack dot length is greater than 0 and reversed, and we have to add this into stack dot pop. So here we are popping the character from the top of the stack, means stack dot pop, and so they come out in the reverse order, and we keep joining them into the reverse in this, and finally we will return this reverse string, return reverse. So let's test it. Console.log reverse string hello and run this node 01. Okay, I forgot to give this str here. So here if you see OLLEH, so our reverse string using stack will work perfectly. So let's move to the second problem. So you will get this code in the video description. You will get this PPT. So next is the check for balance parenthesis. This one is the also a very popular question in interviews. The problem says we are given a string that contains bracket like this round bracket, curly bracket, and the square braces. So we have to check if they are balanced or not. That means every opening bracket have a correct closing bracket in proper order. For example, here this round, then square, then curly, and in closing, then first is the curly, then square, and then round. So here output is the balance, and here if you see we have round, then square, then round, then square. So means there is no balancing in the parenthesis. So let's understand the logic. So we first create an empty stack, then traverse through the string one character at a time. If you find the opening bracket, push it into the stack. And if you find a closing bracket, then check if the stack is empty or not. If it is not empty, means it is empty, then it is not balanced. Else pop pop one element and see if it matches the correct opening bracket or not. After the traversal, if the stack is empty, then it is a balance, else not balance. So now that's it. Let's move to VS Code and write the code for this. So here first write a function is balance, and it take a string str. So first we have to to make a stack. Let stack is equal to empty array, and const pairs is equal to this pair with this pair with this. And last one is the square bracket. So here we have a stack to store opening brackets and a pair object to help us checking matching pair easily. So it's basically a object, pair object. So now we will loop through the string for let ch character of string, and if the character is the opening bracket, and we have three types of this opening bracket, so we have to check all the three: square and this curly one. So if it is opening, then we have to push into the stack dot push ch. So if we find the opening bracket, we push it, then else we have to check if character is the closing bracket, again we have three types of closing bracket: ch is equal to, last one is the curly bracket. So if, then we have to check whether this stack dot pop is not equal to pairs of ch, and then we have to return false. So whenever we find a closing bracket in this, we check whether if we pop the top element and check if it matches with the correct opening one, then if it is not, we immediately return false here. After the loop, we will just check if the stack is empty or not. Means here return stack dot length is equal to 0 or not. Let's test this. Console.log is balance, and let's test this, not 02, and yes, we have this. This is a balance square bracket, balance parenthesis. So let's check the not balance condition also. So see, I just misbalance this parenthesis and I get false here. So these are the let's see the dry run code for this. Here I have this balance parenthesis. So first one is this round bracket, we push it, then this opening square bracket, we already also push this. Then is curly parenthesis, then we also push this. Now our stack has all the three opening brackets. Now after that we see this closing bracket, we pop this last one, and the last one is this opening curly parenthesis, and we pop it and check whether it is. Then if yes, we just remove this from this stack, from this, and then we check whether this square bracket is here. Then we pop and check whether it is, which yes, then we pop it. If it is a then last one is the round bracket, we pop the last one, and it is a round bracket again, and we have to means up in last we have the stack is empty. So as you see at the end the stack becomes empty, which means all the brackets are properly matched, so it is a balanced parenthesis. So let's summarize what we learned today. Stack is a powerful data structure, especially for reversal and matching type problems. So we solved the two problems today: reverse a string using the stack and check for balanced parentheses. In the next video, we will continue with the stack problems part 2, where we will solve more interesting stack based problem. So if you find this helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to JDCodebase for more short and simple DSA and JavaScript tutorial. And don't forget to download the PPT and code. The links are in the description below. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.